Ens concentrem perquè no veurem el color o la classe social, sinó el cor i l'ànima.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like me to go over everything. They say that I'm supposed to heal you, but I'm not much healer. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how we felt before the world fell out of feet. There's such a difference between us and the mentally on us. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you were. Did you ever make it out of that town where nothing ever happened? It's no secret that the both of us are